3-mode FEKER IK75 V3 kit IK75 Pro 75% mechanical keyboard DIY kit hot swap wire. 3-mode FEKER IK75 V3 kit IK75 Pro 75% mechanical keyboard DIY kit hot swap wireless RGB dial knob. Keyboard QMK+VIA silicone pad. The FEKER IK75 V3 kit is a 75% mechanical keyboard that comes in a variety of colors and features. Hot swappable switches. It also has a wireless mode, RGB backlighting, and a dial knob for controlling volume and media. Design. The FEKER IK75 V3 kit is a compact keyboard that measures 350 by 135 by 40 mm. It has a plastic case with a brushed aluminum finish. The keycaps are made of PBT plastic and have a dye-sublimated printing. The keyboard is available in black, white, gray, and blue. Features. The FEKER IK75 V3 kit is hot swappable, which means you can easily change the switches without soldering. It supports 3 connection modes: wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless. The keyboard has RGB backlighting with multiple effects. It also has a dial knob for controlling volume and media. Performance. The FEKER IK75 V3 kit is a great choice for gamers and typists alike. The hot swappable switches make it easy to customize the feel of the keyboard. And the wireless mode makes it a good choice for people who need to move around a lot. The RGB backlighting is also a nice touch. Conclusion. The FEKER IK75 V3 kit is a well-built and feature-rich mechanical keyboard. It is a good choice for gamers and typists alike. Pros. Hot swappable switches. 3 connection modes. RGB backlighting. Dial knob for controlling volume and media. Compact design. Available in multiple colors. Cons. No dedicated arrow keys. Some users may find the keycaps a bit too thick. Overall, the FEKER IK75 V3 kit is a great choice for gamers and typists alike. It is well built, feature-rich, and comes in a variety of colors.